TalentLMS Review, App: the pros, the cons. If you're managing online training for a team, the TalentLMS app promises to simplify learning, but does it actually deliver? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking learning management systems are only for desktop use. TalentLMS lets employees access courses, quizzes, and materials directly from their mobile devices. For example, someone on the go can complete a microlearning module during a commute, increasing course completion rates. The app also provides organization. Course progress, certificates, and deadlines are clearly displayed, making it easy for both learners and managers to track achievements. Push notifications remind users about upcoming assignments, which helps maintain engagement. Another advantage is interactivity. TalentLMS supports multimedia content like videos, PDFs, and SCORM packages, allowing for rich, engaging learning experiences. Discussion boards and messaging features foster collaboration, helping remote teams feel connected. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional glitches when offline, and the mobile interface can feel cramped compared to the desktop version. Advanced reporting and analytics features are often only available on the web platform, limiting full administrative control from the app. In conclusion, the TalentLMS app is perfect for organizations seeking a flexible, mobile-friendly solution for employee training. The surprising truth is that while it enhances learning accessibility, heavy administrative tasks still require the desktop version. If you want to empower your team with mobile learning while keeping progress visible, TalentLMS is a strong choice, but combine it with the web platform for full functionality.